Okay, first of all, the market change is the really need for the change for the organization to adopt the DevOps and or Agile way of working, because back in like 20, 30 years ago, about 40 Japanese firms are listed as a top organization in the world. However, as of today, only maybe one organization is listed as a top 50 worldwide organization. It means that Japanese firms need to change. Therefore, the adoption is really started. And then culturally, the Japanese culture tend to work together as a team, and the agile way of working is originated from the Toyota production system, the TPS. So it's just the nature in our culture that we collaborate and work each other. So that really helps Japanese culture to adopt the DevOps and agile way of working. There are some challenges because of the big organization have higher level of security. Therefore, some of the participants in the classroom, they cannot share the camera. And then as an instructor, we need to see how the participants are reacting. So we can't really see what's really participants are feeling, or maybe not really understanding. So we cannot really see the face reaction. And if we were to try to use some of the additional online tools, such as like the whiteboard tools, some of the organization do not let the participants to access to the external tools. So sometimes we face some issues, but most of the times the basic training can be run without any issues. Yes, it really helps, and the DASA principle can be applied to not only the DevOps and Agile, but also just a way of regular day-to-day work. And it's really essential for people to work in a new way. And however, some of the traditional or conservative organization in Japan, or really big organization, is kind of facing an issue to eliminate the siloed structured organization. However, though, they are really feeling the needs to change, and then the principles are really essential to break through the new way of working and create the new value to the market. Yes, so such as the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and coaching is it started to pick up the needs for it. When I do the training, I get pretty much all the feedback about the coaching or needs for the external party to support to enhance the good chemistry. The people say that we always say the same thing to the staff members, like think new way, collaborative way of working. You really think about the value, who you are really trying to deliver the value to. But if I, as a trainer or coach, join the organization, if I say the same thing that the organization is telling internally, it gives more strength and the new way of realizing what really organization is asking the staff members to do. The bottom line is that first of all the professionals need to keep eyes open to determine what the market needs are, and then you need to understand it changes constantly all the time. The rate of the change is getting faster and faster, and the market needs is getting wider and wider. Therefore, you need to determine who is your customer is, or who you are trying to deliver value to, and then start from where you are. What is the value that you can start creating, and then keep adding those value to the market needs. To do so, you need to really have that sort of an antenna in each direction. You need to keep open to what's really needed, and don't try to deliver what you want to deliver. You need to meet the market needs, and to do so, you really need to hear what's happening in the world. To do so, you need to put up your antennas all the time. To maybe sometimes the information may come from direction that you never thought of before. So keep your mind keep your mind open, and keep adapting the new things, and then try and fail fast, and then you learn from it. So please keep your eyes open and keep hearing, and get the good information all the time to deliver the new meaning to the market. Thank you.